Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to report a lost ANZ card. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to report a lost ANZ card. The first thing to do is to open the ANZ Bank web app, which we have in here. So launch your browser and visit the ANZ Bank official website by entering www.anz.com in the address bar. So log in by clicking login at the top right corner, which is here, and entering your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Accounts or Cards tab in the main menu. So I'm not eligible to open an account in ANZ because of location restrictions. I'm just going to show you how to get that done. So once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Cards tab in the main menu and look for an option such as Manage Cards. Now click on Manage Cards to access card management features. Then in the card management section, find and click on Report Lost or Stolen Card. This option may appear under Security or Card Controls. If you have multiple ANZ cards, a list will display them. Select the card you wish to report as lost or stolen. The web app may prompt you to review information about the lost card reporting process, including details about temporary locks or potential fees for card replacement. Confirm the report by filling the prompts to complete the reporting process. ANZ will block the card immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. Once reported, you will usually have the option to request a replacement card. If you wish to do so, select this option and confirm your delivery address. Submit your request and ANZ will email your new card to your registered address. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, and ANZ may send you a confirmation email or SMS. Keep an eye on your account for any unusual transactions and contact ANZ immediately if you notice any unauthorized changes. And that's how you can report a lost card on ANZ Bank web app. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.